Over the past year, we've been blessed with the opportunity to transform one of our most heavily used areas on campus, our locker rooms, our fitness center, our athletic training spaces, and the surrounding gym corridor. This renovation was not just about upgrading our facilities. It was about building a space that authentically reflects who we are as a LaSallian Catholic community. Our previous locker space and fitness centers were fully outdated, undersized, and no longer relevant to support the needs of our expanding athletic programs. As a LaSallian school, we're called to create environments that uphold dignity, safety, and accessibility. This renovation allowed us to make major improvements, especially around ADA compliance and accessibility, ensuring that every young woman can fully participate to the best of her God-given abilities.
The renovated locker room includes modern PE lockers, dedicated athletic lockers for in-season teams, and for the first time, a designated away team space. This is something Resurrection has never had before and promotes hospitality and inclusiveness, a core LaSallian value. One unique and intentional feature of the locker room renovation is the addition of our Varsity Corner. These lockers were designed to reflect the type of experience student athletes see at the collegiate and professional levels.
We've always had a strong community here, but this new space gives us a place to grow even more. It feels amazing knowing our school believes in us enough to build something like this. We're excited to make the most of it.
The new fitness center is more than double the functional training space we previously had. Students now have access to a bright, modern, and safe environment for strength training, stretching, cardio, and wellness programming. A new team room allows coaches to hold pre-practice meetings, film reviews, and team building sessions. Throughout the space, we intentionally added seating and gathering zones to support community and collaboration, another LaSallian hallmark. The gym floor was fully refinished and redesigned, creating a refreshed playing surface that improves safety, performance, and overall presentation. One of the most visible and exciting additions to our athletic spaces is the installation of our new center-hung video board in the gym. This screen represents more than just a technology upgrade. It enhances how our community gathers, celebrates, and supports our students.
All of this is a part of our core LaSallian identity. It reflects who we are, a commitment to excellence, hospitality, and in all ways, student formation. We are deeply grateful to our donors, to our partners, our board members, our athletic staff, and more than anything, to the young women entrusted to our care, for whom this was the entire pouring. We are proud of the space. We are excited for generations of young women to come and train as bandits, to grow, and to discover their God-given talents and strengths at Resurrection.
We've been watching the progress all year, and now that it's done, it feels worth the wait. It's going to make such a difference for all of us.